Hello, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to tell you about the biggest star. The star can be bigger and bigger, like the Earth, and then Jupiter, then the Sun. No, then the brown dwarf. But we're just talking about stars. The very first stars was Boston stars.
Is
the Boston stars. I don't have it here because it's still smaller than the sun. The sun is as small as this, but it has to be smaller, so I don't write. The sun can be 17 mass. The real first stars was the Banach star. The Banach stars was red, but it is still smaller than the sun, but bigger than a brown dwarf. The sun can be 17 mass bigger than the Banach star. Now let's go to bigger. The sun. The sun we call the sun main sequence star in 1961, and now we call it the sun. The sun is a giant ball, a massive ball of fire. That is size comparison with Earth. That can be 1 trillion million mass than the Earth. Means that's much bigger. And here, let's go a bit bigger. Blue giants. Blue giants is only about 15.7 mass. Is only 15 mass than the sun. The blue giants was blue, but its surface was nearly over 5,000 degrees. It was so hot. I read in a book about massive stars in the universe, that the stars that are blue giants are hot, and red giants are cold. Are they funny? I read them in the book about massive stars in the universe. Red giants are much bigger than is only 4.5 than the blue giants. Red giants can be bigger than the blue giants. Look at its mass. It's bigger than the sun and the blue giants. Red giants has a red surface, but if it goes far away from 18 miles to 120 miles, it can be turned into blue, like blue giants. It looks the same as the blue giants. Now let's go very much bigger. the hypergiants. Hypergiants are blue, but a massive blue giant. Hypergiants is two times mass than red giants. At the center of it is its core. The helium of it is very strong, that it stretches out every day. It's been as here, and here. And it is very gassy, that it's gas blown up. This is called material. And now let's move to another star. I forgot it to draw it. A star that is a red giant, but a massive red giant. It can be about 25 mass bigger than hypergiants. It is so hot that if it fit, that for example, here's it. And if it fit the solar system, Mars will be the closest to it. Another star is blue giants. The biggest blue giant I ever seen is the R31A16. No, it was the R316A36. No, A16. If the planet fit the solar system, Saturn will be the closest to the R316A16, and the orbits will be disappear of the heat. Now let's go to the biggest star. Phaeton A star was the biggest star. So who was the winner? We don't know. It might be the Phaeton A star or Quasar star. This star can grow. This star can grow slowly. That it takes 10 trillion years to death.
To die.
For example, first is here, Big Bang, called Big Bang. The Big Bang can be first, then now, and now here is the and here is the explosion. This one can be kilonova, and this one is dead. Okay, let's size Okay, some stars can be more massive. Then we need these blocks. some stars can be as big that they die. Can be big as here. When I watch in the movie, they use the blocks and they write letter N. It means massive. And this one, first this one. If I put this block, one block, means this number 3 needs 2.5 suns. If this one, it can be this stars plus fourth and a half. It is one star here and plus 4 pieces of it. If this one is okay because it's bigger. And now let's go back to the P.O.S.A. star, the biggest star. This star is small as now, then the Big Bang and kilonova, supernova, then die. When it died, it came back right to the galaxy. Now it come back right to the Milky Way or the galaxy. Now here is the real big star, quasar star. Quasar stars were about 1 P.O.S.A. star and plus three more pieces of it, like this. Plus 3. 1, 2, 3 here. And it's equal. This pieces plus this pieces plus this pieces plus the whole P.O.S.A. star. It can be the right mass as the quasar star. In the quasar stars, there were helium. There is a game too. It's so funny. If these are spots, it can be H or He. He means helium, but I don't know what's H.
H means hydro.
Hydro. And H is hydro. Hydro is red and helium is yellow. And it is 1 helium. If one helium and 1 hydro is stick together, means 2 helium. And if 2 helium and 1 hydro stick together, means 3 helium. 2 hydros and 2 heliums are called 4 heliums because they stick together. If too many helium and hydro stick together, means it will become bigger. The arrow will point out, and it will become bigger and bigger, and it become a supernova. Supernova means a jet star. And if too many helium and hydro, it means too strong that can be a supernova or a kilonova.
You going?
And some scientists believe that quasar stars become bigger and bigger every day, and it can become a black hole. And now let's talk about black hole. The smallest one was the unicorn black hole.
Can you call brother here, please? Call him here, please.
Sam ơi. Was the unicorn black hole, which is enough to hold Paris and some others bigger. I only know some black holes. Let's tell them now.
Hurry up, please.
This was a unicorn black hole. Much bigger is the biggest black hole. The biggest black hole's name's Ton 618. Here's this name, Ton 618. And it's called Ton because of its massive, and it is so big that it is hundred of kilograms ton. So it's called ton. It weighs 618. So we call it ton 618. We don't call it ton 618. That is scientists believe that call 618 is not. It's wrong. We call it 618 to be faster. And that is something I can tell you about black holes and stars.